Welcome back to Design Guy. I'll walk you through designing an eye-catching company profile step by step. Click Create at the top, then choose Website from the available options below. On this website, go to the Templates section. In the search bar, type Company Profile and press Enter. Browse the results to find a suitable company profile template to use. Below, you'll see the results displayed. There are many different designs here that you can browse through. Simply scroll down to explore all the available options and select the design that best fits your needs. Select a template from the available options. For example, choose this one. Then, click Apply. The template contains 5 pre-built sections. Once it's applied, click Next to move forward to the next step in the process. After selecting your template, proceed to editing. You can now change the text, customizing it to match your specific needs and preferences easily. Choose a template that fits your company, then update the images and names to match your team. Next, edit the contact numbers as needed. These customizations help ensure your company's information is accurate and the template looks professional before you continue. Enter your details to own this design. Once saved, you can customize the colors. Choose from a wide selection to match your style. If you want to personalize it further, add new elements from the library. This flexibility allows you to make the design uniquely yours using the tools and options available in the editor. You can add graphics to your generated images or animations by selecting the graphic elements you want to include from the available options. Add your company logo by clicking the Upload button, selecting your file, and confirming it appears in the designated space. Once you're satisfied with your project, click the Share button. Next, select Download from the menu to save your work to your computer in the desired format. Select PDF from the list of formats, then click the Download button to save your file to your computer. You just learned how to design a standout company profile in Canva. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.